The rise of humanoid robots. Will they change the world? Introduction. Imagine walking into a factory where every worker moves with perfect precision. They never get tired, never take breaks, and can work 24 hours a day. At first glance, you might think you're watching a science fiction movie. But these workers are real, and they are humanoid robots. For decades, engineers have dreamed of building machines that can walk, think, and work alongside humans. Today, that dream is becoming reality faster than ever before. Companies around the world are investing billions of dollars into developing robots that can perform tasks once thought possible only for people. Some experts believe humanoid robots could become as common in the future as smartphones are today, transforming manufacturing, healthcare, construction, logistics, and even our homes. But how do these remarkable machines actually work? Let's find out. Chapter 1: From Science Fiction to Reality. The idea of human-like machines has fascinated people for centuries. Ancient inventors imagined mechanical servants, while modern science fiction introduced audiences to intelligent robots capable of walking, speaking, and making decisions. Walking on two legs requires extraordinary balance. Human beings perform this effortlessly, but for robots, every step involves thousands of calculations every second. Today's humanoid robots combine powerful computers, electric motors, cameras, sensors, and artificial intelligence into one machine. Their cameras serve as eyes, microphones act as ears, and AI software functions as the brain, allowing them to recognize objects, understand speech, and respond to their surroundings. Unlike industrial robotic arms that remain fixed in factories, humanoid robots are designed to operate in spaces already built for humans. They can climb stairs, open doors, carry tools, and use equipment without redesigning entire workplaces. This human-like design makes them incredibly flexible and capable of working in many different environments. Chapter 2: The Companies Leading the Race. The global race to develop humanoid robots has become one of the most exciting engineering competitions in modern history. Tesla is developing Optimus, a robot intended to perform repetitive and physically demanding work in factories and warehouses. Boston Dynamics has amazed audiences worldwide with Atlas, demonstrating incredible agility through running, jumping, and complex movements. Figure AI introduced Figure 02, designed to assist in manufacturing using advanced artificial intelligence. Agility Robotics created Digit, which specializes in moving packages inside warehouses and distribution centers. Aptronic's Apollo, Sanctuary AI's Phoenix, and Unitree Robotics G1 are also pushing the boundaries of what humanoid robots can accomplish. Meanwhile, companies across China, Japan, South Korea, Europe, and the United States continue investing heavily in robotics research, making this one of the fastest-growing industries in the world. Chapter 3: Where could humanoid robots work? Humanoid robots could soon become valuable assistants across many industries. In manufacturing, they may assemble products, transport materials, and perform repetitive tasks around the clock. In hospitals, robots could deliver medicines, transport medical equipment, and assist healthcare workers with physically demanding duties. Construction companies may use humanoid robots to lift heavy materials and perform dangerous work in hazardous environments. Firefighters could send robots into burning buildings before risking human lives. During natural disasters, humanoid robots may enter collapsed structures to search for survivors where conditions are too dangerous for rescue teams. Space agencies are also exploring how humanoid robots could help astronauts build future bases on the Moon or Mars. Because these robots share our human shape, they can use existing tools, vehicles, elevators, staircases, and machinery without requiring completely new infrastructure. Chapter 4. The challenges we still face. Despite remarkable progress, humanoid robots are still far from replacing humans. Battery life remains one of the biggest limitations. Most robots can only operate for a few hours before needing to recharge. Walking across uneven ground, handling delicate objects, and adapting to unexpected situations remain difficult engineering challenges. Artificial intelligence has also improved dramatically, but robots still struggle with common sense reasoning that humans perform naturally every day. Safety is another major concern. Engineers must ensure robots can safely work alongside people without causing accidents. Cybersecurity is equally important. Connected robots must be protected against hacking and unauthorized control. Cost is another obstacle. Many advanced humanoid robots currently cost tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars, making widespread adoption expensive. Researchers continue working to make these machines safer, smarter, more reliable, and more affordable. Chapter 5. The future of humanity and humanoid robots. The future of humanoid robots is both exciting and uncertain. Some people worry these machines will replace millions of jobs. Others believe they will become powerful tools that allow humans to focus on more creative, skilled, and meaningful work. History shows that major technological revolutions often eliminate certain jobs while creating entirely new industries and professions. Humanoid robots will require engineers, programmers, technicians, maintenance specialists, AI researchers, and safety experts to design, operate, and improve them. Rather than replacing humanity, many experts believe these machines will become partners that help us perform dangerous, repetitive, and physically demanding tasks. The ultimate goal is not to replace people, but to improve productivity, enhance safety, and expand what humanity can achieve. Conclusion. Humanoid robots are no longer science fiction. They are already walking inside research laboratories, factories, and testing facilities around the world. Powered by artificial intelligence and advanced engineering, these remarkable machines represent one of the most ambitious technological achievements of our time. Whether they become trusted coworkers, household assistants, healthcare companions, or explorers on distant planets will depend on how responsibly we develop and use them. One thing is certain: the age of humanoid robots has already begun, and the next chapter of human innovation may be standing right beside us. Thank you for watching this documentary. If you enjoyed it, please support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the Video World, and turning on notifications. The Video World.